M&S is a long-established British retailer. We have over 1,000 stores and have been established since the 1800s. We're headquartered in London, and we've been working with Vypr for over 2 years now. The main challenges facing Marks & Spencer on this particular project was the fact that we were publishing an annual Trends Insight report, and what we really needed was the voice of the customer to really bring to life those trends and make them feel real and human. The way in which Vypr helped on this project was using the new VyPop capability to be able to create reels of snapshots of customers actually talking about how these particular trends had affected their lives and their behaviour. And this meant that we had some really great material to embed into our Trends Insight report, which is a digital format. So the themes that we covered in this piece of work were cost of living and how the crisis is playing out for people and their shopping and eating habits, on-demand eating, which is the rise of the use of delivery apps, and then flexible routines, which is about the work from home revolution and how that's shaped people's cooking, eating habits there, and last but not least, sustainability as well, and how that plays out in people's day-to-day lives. I think one of the really critical parts of the Vypr service is that we were able to use some quantitative steers to isolate the right customers to speak to for these themes. And that level of accuracy for being able to hear the right voices for the trends report is invaluable. The way in which we use this report is that we commissioned this piece of work within the customer insight team, worked really closely with the Vypr team to get the right scripting as well as the right recruitment, and then obviously had the Vypr team edit the montage as we needed for each theme. But on top of that, what we've been able to do is then cascade the content alongside lots of other insight across multiple sources to our product development team, and that ultimately it's going to enable them to develop their 3 to 5 year vision in terms of innovation pipeline. What this resulted in terms of outcomes in working with Vypr is that we had great video content to illustrate what was lots of data and analysis conducted over a period of a few months. We also had great leave behind material for our webinars and presentations conducted with product development teams, and that all basically amounted to us having really great material that can be referred to over the course of time, directing the innovation priorities for the next 3 to 5 years.